Ah, what an absolutely gorgeous day. I enjoyed it so much. I even cracked the slider a little bit to get some fresh air inside.
So nice. It was that little taste of spring, and you can see, look at this gorgeous video we have. Our meteorologist Michael Behrens took this outside today, seeing some of that sunshine and wondering what's going to happen next with the Chief Meteorologist George Lessons outside on the weather deck. George.
And nice drone video, George. Michael did a great job.
He did, absolutely. We still have some pockets of snow, though, still on the ground.
Yeah.
That's kind of been holding our temperature down a little bit here in Grand Rapids compared to other locations, which made it into the 50s today. 13 weather ball is red. We have a 50s and warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And if you want to join the 13 weather team, get out your phones there and scan that QR code or text the word weather, just weather, to 616-559-1310. A couple of times a week, we're going to share some inside knowledge to the weather and maybe even some astronomical events here in West Michigan. Yep, a lot of sunshine. We've had some high clouds come in for a moment this afternoon. They'll clear on out later on this evening. Just a gorgeous day across the region. And the temperatures responding where the snow has melted in most areas. It's climbed up into the low and even mid 50s. That area of snow that fell last week Thursday morning still holding back temperatures right in through here in the mid and upper 40s. Nonetheless, we are about anywhere from about 8 to almost 15 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time. Won't be quite as big a jump here tomorrow, maybe about 4 degrees in most locations. Sunny blue skies throughout the day until we saw these high clouds come in this afternoon. Got the next weather system right in through here that may squeeze out a brief shower during the morning tomorrow. Hour by hour, the clouds are going to clear on out later this evening before they increase tomorrow morning. You can see a couple of sprinkles of rain right in through here, and that's about it. Sun comes out tomorrow afternoon. Next weather system is trending further south, may get up to around the Michigan-Indiana border early on Thursday, but we'll stay dry in Grand Rapids, and then dry weather all the way through the weekend. But that system sliding by to the south on Thursday is going to drop our temperatures quite a bit. But here's the amount of rainfall we're talking about. Not even enough to wet the ground, and you can see the majority of the rain on Thursday is going to stay south of our viewing area across Ohio and portions of Indiana. Here we go. Temperature wise, we talked topsy-turvy temperatures. They were in the 20s this last weekend. We're in the 50s today, 55 in Grand Rapids tomorrow. We'll be around 53 on Thursday. Then that system sliding by, it's going to pull down an Arctic front on Friday. We'll drop to 39 on Friday and maybe low 30s on Saturday, and then we're going to zoom up next week. Wait for that in the 10-day outlook. Long range outlook from the end of February through March 1. High chances that we will still see warmer than average readings with high chances for more precipitation, especially next Monday through Wednesday. Forecast for tonight will become clear and then become mostly cloudy again late tonight. Mid 30s for overnight lows. That's warmer than this morning's 20s. Low and mid 30s north. Again, clearing skies this evening, then becoming mostly cloudy late. South winds continuing here in the greater Grand Rapids area will drop down to around 34 or so. 13 on your side forecast. Topsy-turvy, roller coaster, whatever you want to call it, 50s, then 30s, back into the 50s, and we've increased Tuesday's temperature to 61. Also increased our chances for some stronger thunderstorms rumbling through in the afternoon and evening. That would be unusual for the end of February, but why not? It's been an unusual winter. And then maybe a few snowflakes at the tail end of that the following Wednesday. More sensible seasonal weather to follow after that. It has been a crazy winter.
I like, why not?
Why not?
61? Holy moly, I cannot believe that. All right, well, thank you, George.
Another unusually mild day as we head into the final days of February. How long is this going to continue? Because it's been a really unusual winter so far. 13 weather ball is red. Even warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Maybe not quite to jump in the dog pool there, but hey, I like the idea. This is Spike and Roxy. Marty, after the feet get dried off there a little bit, take them out for a walk. Green paw this evening, wet paw maybe. Dropping down to around 40 by 10 o'clock in the morning, warmer than the last couple of mornings, upper 30s with a little bit more cloud cover. Today, lots of sunshine. Tomorrow, almost as much. We'll see most of that in the afternoon and early evening, and the winds will be up a little bit here tomorrow as well, out of the south, continuing to bring into that warmer air. So green energy being created by the sun and the wind again tomorrow. We've had some high clouds come in momentarily this afternoon. They'll clear on out later this evening, and we'll see mainly clear skies for most of the night before the next round of clouds rolls on in. A couple of sprinkles of rain showing up here in northern Iowa. They're going to blossom as they move east, but it's just going to be very, very dry here tomorrow morning. This is 7 o'clock this evening. This is overnight, mostly clear, and then mostly cloudy skies. There are those scattered sprinkles of rain. Yeah, that's not even enough to write home about. So back to mostly sunny skies tomorrow. Next weather system flirting along the Michigan-Indiana border. This will be early on Thursday. Might get up to Kalamazoo, but this has been trending southward. So dry here in Grand Rapids, Muskegon, and Holland with some sunshine later in the day. Here comes an Arctic front in the wake of that. There's where the Arctic front is on Friday. We're only going to be in the upper 30s, so topsy-turvy temperatures next couple of days. This is the amount of rain expected from the rain tomorrow morning. Yeah, not a lot, very little. And most of the rain on Thursday morning, well to the south, South Bend, Toledo, down toward Fort Wayne. As far as the temperatures go, we're going to be even warmer tomorrow by about 5 degrees here in Grand Rapids, up to 55 degrees. We'll be 53 with a few of those clouds early on in the day on Thursday. As that Arctic front comes through on Friday, we're only going to be in the upper 30s and even low 30s on Saturday, and then we're going to zoom right back up. Long range outlook as we end February and head into March. High chances for warmer than average temperatures and high chances for more precipitation. It's going to be warm, likely to be in the form of rain. Clearing skies this evening, they'll be becoming mostly cloudy, mid-30s for lows here. Northern areas about 10 degrees warmer than this morning, low in mid-30s. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, skies will become mostly clear for a while, with southerly winds keeping those temperatures around 34. 13 on your side forecast. Yeah, after the first part of the weekend, we'll warm back up to 51 on Sunday. 57 on Monday with some overnight showers, and then some strong winds coming in on Tuesday, boosting temperatures to 61. I put in a marginal risk for some strong thunderstorms in the afternoon into the evening. That'll be sharply falling temperatures then on Wednesday, but when we talk about falling temperatures, they'll drop out of the 60s to around 40. When it's supposed to be in the mid-30s. Yeah, it's been that kind of winter, guys.
Yeah, it's all relative, isn't it?
It absolutely is. Thank you, George.
Oh my goodness, just another breathtaking sunset today along the lakeshore. This is the view from the Snug Harbor Tower Cam. Nature continues to make art for us. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons outside on the weather deck. Just breathtaking is the only word I can use. Awesome.
It's just been great the last couple of days, hasn't it? Oh man, yeah, more sunshine, Juliet, here tomorrow as well.
Good.
Added bonus, another day in the 50s. Yeah,
wow.
It's going to be.
What month is this?
Yeah, what month is this?
Yeah,
what season is this?
February.
It's been crazy. Yeah, we do have more warm weather, but it's going to cool off drastically starting Friday, but that will be just a temporary setback. 13 weather ball tonight is a red, even warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And if you want to be on the inside, join the 13 weather team with inside information that we don't share on TV or online. Scan that QR code with your phone there, or you can text just the word weather to 616-559-1310. We'll send you a couple of texts a week on weather trivia, maybe in something on the eclipse. Temperatures today, where the snow is rapidly melting, still on the ground, I-96 northward, 40s to near 50 here in Grand Rapids, where the snow is melted elsewhere pretty much, mid-50s for highs today. We forecast 48, and that came within our target range. 12 days in a row we have done that. Hopefully extend that tomorrow. Still our fourth warmest February up through today by 7.5 degrees. Our eighth driest with that ½ inch of precipitation, 5.5 inches of snowfall. That's about 20th on the driest February list, and about 40% of the possible sunshine, plus 8% there. Lots of sunshine from the Rockies all the way to the East Coast. That storm system that provided active weather for Florida now well to the east. Still lots of rain in California, snow at the highest elevations. You know, they can continue to get the rain here that'll fill those reservoirs, and that weather system is not going to affect us until later on next week. Little dip in the jet stream coming here tomorrow morning. That's what will give us a brief chance of a shower, and then we'll turn a little bit cooler. This is through Friday. A little Arctic front coming down through momentarily, but boy, is it going to zoom back north by Sunday. There it goes, and we will see temperatures warm up rapidly after a chilly start to our weekend. Then a southwest wind, a lot of energy in the atmosphere. I think we may actually see some more thunderstorms on Tuesday afternoon next week. That would be like the third time we would have seen thunder and lightning here in West Michigan in February. It's been that kind of a season. And then the jet stream, this is the northern jet stream moving further to the north, so we will cool down a little bit over the second half of next week, but not as cold as it has been. Otherwise, tomorrow, we're looking at the clouds clearing out here tonight. They'll be increasing tomorrow, and there might be a sprinkle of rain here and there, just not a whole lot, back to some sunshine late in the day. More clouds than anything else tomorrow night. Looks like the rain is going to stay right around or south of I-94. That will be during the day on Thursday, so we'll stay dry with some more sunshine breaking loose. And with that Arctic front coming down from the north on Friday, you can see it right in through there. Wouldn't be surprised if a snow flurry, but definitely cold weather for Friday into Saturday. In terms of rainfall, this is enough to just wet the ground. That will be tomorrow morning. Then all the rain from Thursday's system looks like it's going to stay from I-96 southward, but not here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Forecast then for tomorrow, brief morning sprinkle, if anything at all, then clearing skies in the afternoon. Upper 40s northern part of the lakeshore zone, 50 Muskegon, low 50s further south, around 49 to 50 north, maybe even 54 in Greenville with that passing sprinkle in the morning. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, up about 5 degrees, 55 to 58. 13 on your side forecast. Topsy-turvy temps, 50s down into the 30s through Saturday, back into the 50s starting Sunday into Monday with some showers Monday night, and then some stronger storms. I put it in a category 1 for next Tuesday afternoon and evening, followed by sharply colder weather. A couple of snowflakes next Wednesday, perhaps at the tail end of that, but then even milder temperatures as we get through the last waning days of February.